Okay, I get a lot of questions about how to enroll or take admission in Alliance Française, what is the process, how they will select you, how to take the placement test, everything I will be answering in this video. Coucou tout le monde, je m'appelle Riddhi, and today, as you guys know, that I will be answering how to take admission in Alliance Française if you want to learn French. So this video is divided into three parts. First, if you're a complete beginner, how to take admission there for French courses. Second, if you have already given your A1 level and now want to go for the further French courses, how to take admission. Third, I will be telling how to take the placement test, what is all the process, what they ask, what they don't. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first, if you're a complete beginner, it's very simple. You just have to register yourself on Alliance Française website, choose your center, or if you want, you can take online, or there are hybrid options as well. So I personally took for myself half online and half offline. The process is very simple. You just have to register yourself, pay the fees, and begin your learning of A1 level. Now coming to the second part, which is if you have given your A1 level and you want to enroll for the further courses, or if you have given your A2 and want to go for B1, how will you get the admission? So the first thing is, if your certificate, any certificate is older than 6 months, then the placement test is required. But if your certification is less than 6 months old, then you can get directly admission into the next level. For me, I also had to give a placement test because my B1 level certification was older than 6 months and I had to enroll in B2 level. So they told me to take a placement test of the B2 level, and yeah, after that only if I pass, I will be enrolled into my B2 levels courses. Il fait très chaud aujourd'hui, hein. J'ai soif. Now coming to the third part, that is the placement test, what is the process and everything. So once you take your placement test that you have to purchase from their website, you have to take a particular date on which you will be attempting the examination, and the placement test fees is around 1500. For the placement test, all the four modules are tested, that is the reading, listening, writing and speaking. So for me, I was enrolling into the B2 level because my B1 level certification was older than 6 months. So that's why I had to give the placement test as well. If you have already the certification which is less than 6 months old, then enroll quickly if into the next level. So all the four modules test is taken online virtually. Guys, be careful while you take the placement test. Check your internet connection really well, because once the connection is lost, your exam won't be recovered. So for me, it happened the same way. I was giving the exam, and in the mid only there was a power cut, and immediately I switched to my mobile data, and thankfully the test was still going on. So be careful. Please have a strong internet connection while giving the examination, because once the connection is lost, the whole test is also gone. You won't be refunded at all at any cost, be whatever reasons. Yeah, that is one tip I would give you. Prepare well for the listenings, and for each module there is a timer going on. So in that particular time only you have to complete that particular module. For me, it was around 2 hours test just for the three modules, and the production orale was taken virtually with one of the French native speakers from Alliance Française only. And yeah, it was a very good experience. I don't know why I was underconfident about my French mm, vocabulary and everything, but at the end it all went well. And yeah, that's how I started my B2 journey. You can watch the vlogs, it is all up there on my channel. How I gave my test of B2 level. On the day of exam also I vlogged. Long story short, if you want to enroll into the A1 level, you just have to register yourself and start learning. If you are having A2, B1, B2 level and you want to enroll in the further level, you have to give a test if your certification is older than 6 months. If less than 6 months, you can directly enroll into the further course. There's no placement test required. And the third part, that is the how to take the placement test. You just register yourself on their website, purchase the placement test, and then take the placement test, get the results, you enroll into the further level. It's not at all sponsored, guys. It's all my experience that I'm telling you guys. So you guys ask me a lot of questions regarding the course enrollment. That's why I just thought, why not to make a video on that. and help you guys. So yeah, that is all about the process of the placement test. If you guys have any more questions, you can comment below. I will be answering to them shortly. Hope you guys got some or the other information which was helpful to you. And if you like this video, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel, that is Ridhiya Pari, for more such informative videos. Atrevianto, Bisu.
What's the process? What's the process? How to select you? On what basis? What's the process for the placement test? All the questions will be answered.